Hello, welcome again. We are solving Engineering Services 3 2018 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 132 is statement 1. A differential inverted U-tube manometer determines the difference in pressure between 2 points in a flow section to which it is connected. Statement 2. Sensitivity of an inclined gauge depends on the angle of inclination. Codes are option A, both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Option C, statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Option D, statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. So this is your inverted U-tube, and first statement is about inverted U-tube, and this is the fluid flowing, and here the pressure is P1 and here the pressure is P2, and this is your manometric fluid, this is Y, and the manometric head difference in the left and right leg is H. So if we balance head here, then it will be P1 minus rho gy plus rho mgh. Rho is density of this fluid and rho m is density of this fluid. And from the right side limb it is P2 minus rho g y plus h. So pressure difference is rho gy plus rho mgh minus rho g y plus h. So that is your pressure difference, and it is determined by inverted U-tube. So first statement, that is, a differential inverted U-tube manometer determines the difference in pressure between 2 points in a flow section to which it is connected is correct. Second statement is about sensitivity of an inclined manometer. So this is your inclined manometer. So and this is the length, and suppose the pressure difference between this point and this point is P, del P. Then sensitivity is defined as L by del P, and L can be written as H by sin theta. So sensitivity is dependent upon this angle, sin theta or pi theta. So second statement is also true. The sensitivity of an inclined gauge depends on angle of inclination. So that is also true. So statement 1 and statement 2 both are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. So that is answer is option